Hi, Hazy. Here's another book for you. A Kissing Hand for Chester Raccoon. Chester Raccoon was very sad. He looked at his mommy and cried. "I don't want to go to school," he said. "I want to stay home by your side. I'll read my books and play with my friends and play with my favorite toys. Please may I stay home with you? I won't make very much noise." Mrs. Raccoon squeezed Chester's hand and nuzzled him on his ear. "You're going to love Owl's school," she said. "I promise there's nothing to fear." And I have a wonderful secret to share that will make your nights away seem as warm and cozy as your days at home, where we sleep, read books, and play. Chester could feel his mother's kiss leap straight into his heart. "With a kissing hand," said Chester's mom, "we'll never be apart." Just press your hand upon your cheek to feel that loving glow. It's Mommy saying, "I love you," wherever you may go. I hope you liked that book, Hazy.